You can start a Zoom meeting straight from Chrome using the Chrome extension. Zoom Chrome extension, and here we go, start a meeting with video off or with video on. Just like that. How easy is that? So let me show you how to install the Chrome extension, and I'll show you what else it can do. Now, the Chrome extension also gives you a chance to change any settings, such as setting the waiting room on if you've got that for your Zoom account. Do you want your video on as the host? What about for participants? What audio to use? Do you want to mute people as soon as they join a meeting? So you can set those Zoom extension options. Very, very easy options. So here is how to install the Zoom Chrome extension. You can get the Zoom Chrome extension either from Zoom or from the Chrome Web Store. I'll get this from Zoom. So just go to the download link, which is in the description to this video. And we want to get the Zoom extension for the different browsers. There is an extension that you can use for Microsoft Edge. I'm using Chrome. So download in the Chrome Web Store. Very easy. Add to Chrome. Now you're going to see it added to this up here. Let me just add the Chrome extension. Grant it permissions. And you can see the extension is already there. How easy is that to install? And now to run Zoom, you just go into Zoom Chrome extension. You may have some other extensions here, and you can manage those extensions or turn them off. You can pin them so that your most prominent extensions are going to be up there in your list. I've got the Zoom Chrome extension here. We want to sign into Zoom. You can stay signed in if you want. But you go into the Zoom Chrome extension. You can schedule a meeting. You can start a meeting with a video on or off. And you can even record a clip. We saw the settings before. If you want to record a quick clip, really easy to do. Are you going to be recording your screen as well? And what are you going to be using for your microphone, for your camera? My maximum recording time for each clip is 2 minutes. And there are some advanced settings in there as well, such as your virtual background and so on. So this is a very nice, easy way for you to record a quick clip if you want to do that, all through Zoom. Share your computer sound if you want to play a video as well. So all of these are options for the Zoom Chrome extension. And if you want to turn it off or if you want to uninstall it, you just go over here to manage your extensions, and you can remove it from Chrome altogether, or you can manage your extensions. So this Zoom Chrome extension is a really easy and quick way of starting Zoom without having to go through all of those menu options.